Yeah, my cow, doing 5x. So what do you think about the meta currently, specifically 3-3? Meta is a lot more varied than people think. It's much more fluid dispatch, at least so far. It's good because it could be just because haven't found anything super amazing. I think 3-3 is definitely beatable, but we'll see. Like, I don't think the 3-3 in particular is super overpowered amazing. Like, you can beat it with normal super dumps. This guy's still here? He is. Oh, that's a McCree. He just headshot my mana. Okay, they just speed boosted out my whole team, so this isn't good. Oh, if I did a half charge and I headshot that, I think I could have killed him right there at the end. Mana? Oh, they killed my mana. God damn it.
I will not be defeated.
I think the meta is pretty fluid between all the supports and all of the tanks. Like, both of those are really balanced, and even the DPS. Like, I think Maze and Junkrat are both really viable for terms of defense heroes, especially on first points. May is probably more viable than like any other defense hero right now. What else?
My ultimate is charging.
Time to walk in, boys. Oh, you're weak, Reaper. Oh, not anymore.
Oh, let's break it!
Nano boost administered.
There's a McCree coming in. Wow! I wasn't expecting to hit that snap, dude, the moment I walked in, because I hit the first arrow, so I'm just like, oh yeah, I can walk in here, no problem.
Heroes never die.
I'm surprised he was expecting me to be there like that. Usually if I'm sitting like that, I would be expecting the Hanzo to be playing really passive on point. I'm just gonna point from here, I'm really worried that we don't have it.
I'll take the objective strike.
Well, I had shot him too, GG. I should have maybe waited on the dragon. That's all my fault for dying to that guy.
A minor setback.
My ultimate is almost ready.
The wolf marks.
My ultimate is ready. Let's do this.
My ultimate is charging.
I knew you could fire at will.
Okay, I think we're good now.
Heldenstern.
Shit, no, we're not. Mercy and Reaper still behind.
Drop the beat.
Nothing, Mercy.
This guy fed his beat, that's for sure. Should be good now.
The objective. Try and stop me.
Objective A captured. Escort the payload.
My ultimate is ready.
Let's go see what we got.
Look at the size of that thing. See that which is unseen.
Okay, let's leave.
Mercy's on the right side.
Look at the size of that thing. The wolf marks his prey.
I think we really need a roadhog here. I should probably go roadhog after this. But I don't know, they have Reaper and roadhog too. It could be bad, but I still think it's got to. They're starting to push on us right now? That's beating. Nice shield. Oh my god! Luckily the Reaper ulted too early. It's a Mercy top right. Oh fuck. Oh no, I can't walk far.
I am moving the payload. Simple geometry.
Healing boost.
I feel like he didn't even intentionally hit that.
Let's drop the beat. Oh, let's break it. Damn.
Nice.
If we kill this Lucian player, we should be fine. Man, if anyone could kill these, like the last person on play, like if we killed that Lucio, it would instantly cap, man. Fuck, it was so close. Phantom is subscribed 10 minutes ago. Thank you, fam. Dog Boys doing $2 says, what if Mercy can only res one person per ult and had reduced time to gain ult? Would that make her more or less viable? I've always thought that we should use like a single man res system because it makes it actually just like skill based. Who do you want to res mid fight? Do you wait to use it on the first target, stuff like that? But you could just use it on the first target every time, or you could, I don't know. Maybe it would be less skill based than I thought. I don't know, or like choice based, I guess. He's so weak. Oh my god.
30 seconds remaining.
It's so crazy, like looking at that, how the like the hook works out. It's like pulls you backwards. One man res, what's the point? No. Like, then she would be so useless. No, we were talking about if the res built like 3 times faster, and you could single target res people instead to use it on cooldown type of thing. But, I don't know. Would have a more or less skill? Who knows? Either way, we lost.
Score 1-0. Switching sides. Prepare your defenses.
Do I make Mercy ult even lamer? You're right. They should just get rid of res entirely. I hate reses. Suck a Treyback because reset up for 3 months. Thank you, Suck a Treyback. Death by Fugu is only 420. Says, suck it to me, baby. What does it mean? Thank you for 420 donations. Sam doing $5. How do you feel about Mercy now? When you decide to run her versus Lucio Zen? I think she's almost just as viable as Lucio Zen, if not the same viability. I think she's like the most mobile healer with like a lot of throughput, right?
100% saved by their Mercy on like 3 separate occasions.
With every death,
do you have anyone who wants to go and hunt down and harass healers?
with honor, redemption.
The guy gets it. You need to at least one person to go chase a Mercy or else you lose. But forget what I was gonna say. Mercy's only got like Numbani first point. And you can't really like hunt down and chase a Mercy as Hanzo. They're basically asking me to go X1 and go Genji, which I really don't want to do on the first point. Or I should maybe run roadhog so we got triple tank that way.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
If everyone performs their function, victory is assured.
I think I just screwed up my Sonic. I shot it way too high.
Everyone is protected.
Or charged it way too much. Someone says in chat, I feel like Mercy's ultimate would be better designed if it had a duration and only res people who died during the duration.
4, 3, 2, 1.
I feel like that would solve a bunch of problems with like pub play versus the rest of the play, and it'd like clearly market to like everyone in the game when a res is going to happen and stuff like that. Actually, it would be really cool. I like that a lot. He's trying to get on top of there. Oh my god, this guy, dude. You guys got the strats going. See off the map. This guy should be dead.
Art of deception. The wolf marks his prey.
I mean, Rez used to have a cast time, and then it would, he was interruptible and all this other stuff. There's only like a 1.5 second cast time or 1 second cast time. But then they removed it because apparently new players would like try and res, and it was just like, they didn't take into account the cast time because they waited until the last possible second and they hit Q and it didn't work, and it was like Y or something, so they removed it.
My arrow finds its mark. See that which is once.
Teleporter online.
Shiny.
I really was waiting to use my dragon here until they start walking in more. Oh, good bash. These guys are taking their sweet time and I'm okay with this.
Wolf marks his prey.
I'm just gonna drag it up choke now. Oh, I thought they were walking in. They kind of are. This guy's locked in. They can't save him now. Or no one will shoot him. That's cool too. Now we lose, maybe.
Helden sterben nicht.
We're okay, we're okay. We got teleported up, I forgot. So the Reinhardt dies early, but it doesn't matter, because the fight doesn't end instantly. They killed Tilly? Oh, there's a Zarya here. Damn. It should be okay still.
Very well.
Zarya's way behind us.
They're trying to push up fast. I have Dragon here still.
Lucio's still behind us.
They tried, they don't have res. This could be pretty good for me.
Too easy.
Let's get them off our objective.
Lucio's on point.
Огонь по готовности!
Oh, let's break it.
Just gonna Dragon to the right, just in case the enemy team walks in right now.
60 seconds.
They didn't walk in, but I still feel like that Dragon was worth it. Like, if that team ran in, then the whole my team might have gotten wiped. What? He got... What? Okay, watch this from his POV. He slides off the wall, or gets booped or something, and walks into me here. Watch.
Reinhardt behind us.
Yeah. I thought he was gonna run into the wall, so I wasn't even scared. What the heck?
I am not deterred.
Earth Shatter? Okay.
It's high noon.
30 seconds remaining.
Just a little longer. Bear down.
Simple geometry.
Missing every shot beyond space and time. Help. See that Mercy hiding?
10 seconds
Oh, Winston's weakening.
He's like 1 hit away. Hold it, hold it.
I'm gonna retire. I don't want to die here, but... Although the health pack is so close to coming up too. Are they gonna stall now? Oh, they might be able to stall. Oh well, we would have had that if I just hit more shots. That sucks.
I must reclaim my honor.
Mercy's down.
See a Winston and just like people dying. It's just Jesus, dude.
objective lost. Stop the payload.
See that which is
Is
unseen.
he gonna come over this wall? I'm so tempted. What the hell?
Soldier 76 reporting for duty.
Hello.
Hello.
I was hoping to hit it in between the two stairs right there, or like two railings, I guess.
See.
I don't know this map enough. I don't even know where they can flank me from. Like, there's an underground path too, isn't there? Peace, dude. That's feeding.
Strike.
There's someone top right.
See that which is unseen.
Let's see here.
Double
Oh, let's break it. Damn.
My arrow finds its mark.
Oh, my
This guy took so much damage, Jesus.
It's ready.
Oh, turn it up.
The wolf marks his prey.
You coming over the top, Genji? I'm ready for you, dude. Come on. Come at me.
30 seconds remaining.
Shit! Didn't mean to go this way. I feel like I rotate that over and over. Oh! Oh boy, is he coming up here? How did he hit? Did you guys see how far he hit me with that sword? What on earth? Damn. Are we gonna lose this game now? I feel like we're gonna lose right now because of that. You finally got a sword off.
Okay.
Might be.
Overtime.
See that which is unseen.
What? What was that? I even juked it, and I was already moving to the right, and I still died? Oh my god, I'm mad. Oh, he's got this, he's got this. He killed... Mercy.
The Mercy.
Nice, they got the Mercy one. I'm gonna go one dragon card.
Nice.
My god.
Hey.
Final score 1-1. Victory.
What team did it?
Play of the match.
El Soxu doing 304, and he says, "Hey Seagull, love the stream and good luck at LAN. Was wondering how to counter the 3 tank 3 DPS effectively. Any suggestions?" I think the core of that team comp comes down to primarily like, you know, the healers, and the biggest healer is going to be like, I think either play like the ult game or you kill the Ana somehow and then win off that. So by the ult game I mean, all right, so that team comp I think is super